Hi makers, and welcome back to the studio. I was thinking recently about a challenge I had not too long ago in which I was looking at my go-to scissors. You don't have go-to scissors? Well, and by the way, here they are. No great shakes. I don't even know where these came from. I acquired them somewhere along the way. They're kind of strange scissors to begin with. They have this weird notch cut in them. And right now they're probably dull as can be, and they're covered with glue and everything else. They've lived a pretty tough life. But I was looking at them and thinking, you know what? I need to find a replacement for these. I really like them. But I don't know anything about them. There's no maker's mark on it whatsoever. Couldn't find any information. So I'm thinking, I started going into the craft stores, looking at the scissors. Couldn't find these anywhere in the craft stores. So looking around and finally just starting to look at little features. Like there's a weird, almost like a nutcracker right in here. You got this weird notch. What the heck? Well, eventually, I went online, did a little detective work. You know what they are? They're poultry shears. That's right, these are kitchen scissors used for cutting chicken into pieces. And still, the best craft scissors I have ever owned in my life. So I've been able to update. I have some. Now, one of the reasons I like these scissors so much is because they're interchangeable when you pick them up. Now I'm doing a lot of paperwork, right? Cut, 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 put scissors down, pick scissors up, always going on. And the challenge you run into is if you have the fancy schmancy scissors where your thumb goes in this hole and it just makes it harder to pick them up and get your hand situated. So I can cut this way, I can cut this way, it doesn't matter. And the scissors don't care. So it allows me to very quickly grab and go. And they stay sharp, they're nice and tight, and you know what? They're crazy affordable. So again, a really nice thing if you want a good pair of craft scissors that are pretty hardy, will cut fabric, paper, pretty much, and chicken if you need to. There's just a great opportunity, and like I said, they're not crazy expensive. So it might be something worth checking out. I'll put a link down below, let you know where I picked these up if you're interested in learning more about this. All right, so hey, a favorite pair of scissors. Anyway, wanted to quickly share that with you today. If this was useful information in any way, shape, or form, please click the like button. It really helps us out. And if you'd like to learn more about tips and tricks for creating your art, feel free to subscribe to Mixed Media Masters. We're really happy to come in here. Every week we want to come in and share new things with you. And we want you to be a part of this. We want to be able to share the knowledge with you so you can go and unleash your inner artist. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Spider. I'll see you next time.